Hey! So you're a hockey player, huh?
Yeah?
You're gonna give that shit up? You're gonna concentrate on golf?
Right, you may proceed. There it goes.
Yeah, it's in the water.
So what happens now? Very nice. Shot tone.
Oh, well, that's how you do it.
Yeah, cheers, Russ. Good practice. Here we go.
It's coming over there.
Fuck off. I'm not using this shit.
Hold on, Rich.
That's right, let's put my name on.
Jakobsen, number 9s.
I like to hit the ball.
Now he's going to hit the ball. Which one you hitting? Nice bit of mud. Went with that.
Practice.
Got it.
Fuck you. Dead duck's move now. Next ball.
After 2 balls in a lake, Robbie takes the driver.
That's going in as well.
That's 3 in a row!
Well, that's nice of you to say, but I've been training to be a hockey player my whole life.
Golf's no different from hockey. It requires talent, self-discipline.
I didn't like that ball anyway.
Here comes Tank Adams. Swing and a miss. A strike 2. Strike 3. Strike 4. Strike 5.
Sorry.
Never seen a day break, leaning on my pillow in the morning. Lazy day in bed, music in my head, crazy music playing in the morning light. Oh, ho, ho, it's magic, you know. Never believe it's not so. It's magic, you know. Never believe it's not so. I love a sunny day, dream of far away, dreaming on my pillow in the morning. Never been away, hey, never seen a day break, leaning on my pillow in the morning.